And as we look at the next 3 days, you can see tomorrow's our best chance for getting a little bit of a break from the wet weather. Will be nice and dry, mostly sunny. The timing of this is absolutely so important for the ice accumulation we get. So there's two scenarios that we're kind of weighing right now. The slower front means a later switch to freezing rain or sleet, lower accumulations. That's what we're seeing so far this morning. Definitely secure any of those loose objects, anything you have outdoors that you don't want flying down the street into your neighbor's yard. Cover those plants. I know we've got a little bit of a taste of spring, warmer weather right now, but we're really going to make a harsh turn. We have cloudy conditions pretty much everywhere, but we will start to see that clear out and see plenty of sunshine as we make our way through the afternoon. You can see this pink indicating a wintry mix, so our northern zones will get the brunt of this first, and this could manifest in a few different ways. In terms of very cold air, we have high confidence in this. We know that it is going to be cold, even potentially record-breaking for Monday morning, and you can see just how much our humidity drops at that point. The lower the number that you see on your screen here, the drier the air. Plants cover if possible. So I know there are frost cloths out at H-E-B, so today's definitely your day if you need to go make a quick run to the store to grab them. 36 days in a row with above average high temperatures. It looks like we're going to continue that trend at least for the next week ahead. Because you can wear flip-flops and shorts tomorrow during the day, 90s, and then you might as well need a winter coat for Monday morning. It is just all over the place the next couple of days, but we're going to walk you through it to make it a little easier with all of these changing conditions for you. Here's a little snapshot of our weekend forecast. So Saturday, 85 degrees today, mostly sunny skies during the day. Today's definitely the day to take advantage of walking around downtown, maybe enjoy a little bit of South by Southwest. It's going to be a lot more comfortable for you. Then tomorrow, that's where things take a little bit of a turn. We have a high of 93 degrees, so it's going to be very hot. But then we have a cold front moving in the later part of the afternoon, leaving us to temperatures in the upper 30s for Monday morning. So really a switch around for you. An important thing we want to emphasize is our weather impact alert. Here's your fire outlook. You can see we have extreme fire danger. That is the highest threshold here. And this is really for Travis County into Williamson County, extending all the way into the Texas Hill Country. So this is for Sunday in particular. So let's track all of the factors that are leading to these conditions. This is our future relative humidity. You see this yellow line right here just east of I-35. That is our dry line, and you can see how much it's dropping down our humidity right behind it, dropping from 41% to around 8% in the Texas Hill Country. Behind that dry line, we also have a cold front that will move in Sunday, later afternoon, Sunday night, and that, of course, is going to drop down our temperatures pretty significantly here. Another thing we're tracking on this huge list of factors that are just leading us on a little bit of a roller coaster, future wind gusts. Saturday, much more comfortable, a little bit gusty at times, but Sunday, later in the afternoon to evening, that's where things will really shift. So 32 miles per hour for Austin. You could see gusts even in the 40s for up north heading into Burnett. And then Monday morning, this will start to slow down a little bit for us, make conditions a little bit more comfortable, but still with that cold front moving in too, it's the perfect medley for cold temperatures. So Monday morning, kids heading out to the bus stop, heading out to work, we have temperatures that will feel like 30s, even the 20s for the Texas Hill Country. So I know a lot of us are really excited about spring. We're seeing those blue bonnets start to blossom. You're going to want to cover your plants for Monday morning. So a little bit of a switch up here, something to keep in mind now, especially because it is quiet today. It's pretty quiet on the weather front. As you can see by our radar, that is absolutely just bone dry. Nothing really significant to report here. Saturday, we have temperatures today all up in the 80s, even some temperatures in the low 90s for the Texas Hill Country. 84 degrees is your high for Austin today. Sunny and warmer, some passing clouds, light fog for the first part of your morning, but then things will start to clear out, leading to a really gorgeous day. We'll cool down tonight to temperatures around 54 degrees. It will be clear and cool. And if you are planning on taking advantage of South by Southwest, here's a little snapshot of what you can expect today. So starting off pretty warm here overall for our morning, temperatures in the upper 60s, hiking up to 86 degrees by the early afternoon. Plenty of sunshine, bring the shades, drink plenty of water if you're walking around downtown. And here's our 7-day forecast. forecast. So lots to track here. Sunday, temperatures hiking up to hot 93 degrees, well above our average high for this time of year. It's also a weather impact alert day because of that extreme fire danger. Later on Sunday, we've got that cold front moving in, dropping down our temperatures 39 degrees for your Monday morning. 56 degrees is your daytime high for Monday, so almost going to feel winter-like for the first part of the morning. Then Tuesday, St. Patty's Day, will slowly start our warming trend, tiptoeing back up to temperatures at least more in line with what we'd expect. 79 Wednesday, temperatures in the 80s as we head towards the weekend.
Obviously, you guys, these are not the conditions that we're used to. Pretty much everything that you see is covered in a pretty thick layer of ice. I'm talking the main arterials, the side streets, the sidewalks, your cars. We've only seen a few cars. The cars we have seen have been treating these roadways here. I want you to take a look right here. You could actually see the road. You can see the lane markers, and that's because crews have been working pretty much nonstop to clean up this drop-off area of the airport. However, that is really deceiving, because if you look a little bit further over towards the parking area, that kind of buildup of sleet, that is more on line with what the actual roads are looking like if you head out.
We're here just outside our station in North Austin in one area that's seeing early blooms. But keep in mind, the patches are looking a little shy this year. If you're trying to track down a patch near you, know that what you see may be smaller than last year. Horticulture educator Andrea DeLong Amaya at the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center says this year's wildflower season is varied. Bluebonnets start growing in the fall, so they really depend on good fall rain to sprout. This year didn't get enough, so fewer plants even made it out of the gate. Then in winter, they need steady, light rain to stay healthy since their roots are shallow. But the rain was inconsistent, so the plants that did grow ended up weaker. DeLong Amaya says this is why she's especially looking forward to perennials as we progress into spring.
And they're usually less affected by drought unless it's really severe. So I'm hoping that we have a really good show of wine cups and the prairie beard's tongue and some of the milkweeds.
And if you're looking for bluebonnets, visiting managed locations like the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center is recommended since its irrigation supports more blooms. And the center has a very cool resource called Texas Wildflower Central. It shows you all of the bluebonnet fields that you can see in short drives away from your distance. On this website, you can also go ahead and share any pictures that you may get of wildflowers. Reporting in North Austin, Allison Martinez, KVUE News.